Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to try the clouds and birds in a sphere instead of the other one. I've just got my clouds out because that's what's on top. I've got my Teexpert resin already mixed up. This is going to take some layers. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my resin in there. You don't want to pour too deep in these spheres because they will flash cure. So I'll be coming back in stages and doing this. There we go. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up some of these clouds just a little bit and just pop them in. Well, I found a hair on the mold, so let me get that out. Don't you hate that? At least I saw it before it was already done. All right, let me get a new one, so this one doesn't have a hair on it. And pop these under there. I don't know if you can see me doing it. I can barely see me doing it. Let me put, ooh, I like that one. Pop that in there as well. Come on, get down in there. I'll let them sit there and be in the resin. I knew they would float. That's why I went ahead and start with them. We'll have the next layer as soon as this layer cures. We'll see you then. All right, I'm back. I've got my resin mixed up. It's my Teexpert. I've put it through my debubbler machine. My resiners, it got most of the bubbles out, but we'll see. Let's pour it in here. There we go. Now let's go ahead and place our birds in. I'll move them around with a stick. I've got my tweezers, that'll work. Set them down there. Luckily, these birds don't float so far that I've noticed. Flying underneath that cloud. Get those bubbles out of there. I hope you can see it. And this one. Hopefully that one will float a little bit. Now I'm going to get some clouds. Put a few more in. Not big ones, just littler ones. Let's get that one all under there. I hope you can see. Right there by that one. I'm going to bring you down so you can see in it. So I've got them all in there. Okay. Got one more layer and we shall be done. Let me go ahead and get cleaned up and we'll see you next time. Hi everybody, it's demolding day. This is going to be fun. I went ahead and instead of waiting or doing a video of it, I just went ahead and filled the rest of this up real quick. I didn't think you guys needed to be bored and see the last little bit. Let's go ahead and try to get this out of here. I'm going to spray some 91% alcohol down the side so that I can break the seal. Hopefully. Because this is going to be a fun one to do. And be careful when you're unmolding these because you could cut yourself really easy, which I think I might have already done because this is a sharp little edge. Splashed it back out on me. Okay. Let's see what I can do. I broke the seal on some of it, so let's see. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's working. There we go. That popped right out of there. Oh, that turned out pretty. Look at those birds flying in those clouds. Oh, wow. I can see the lines right there a little bit. And I've got a little bit of bubble right there on the outside. But UV resin can cure those bubbles. I'll just put them in there. Wow. That is a pretty paperweight. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. It's real easy and it doesn't cost anything. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Well, there's a bubble right there. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.